Are you interested in the benefits of military service? Are you looking to get intensive hands-on training and work experience and have your education costs covered? In this video, we'll break down how military service can be an option to unlock your future. Now, how's it going? I'm Vitrell with Get Schooled, and in this video, we discuss military service, what that means, and how to access it, and most importantly, who thrives. Education is key to unlocking your future, so stay tuned. But before we jump in, you know how we do it here. Tap that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you can stay up to date when we drop the new content. Y'all ready? Let's dive on in. The U.S. military consists of 5 service branches: the Army, the Marine Corps, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Coast Guard. There are full-time or part-time options that allow you to attend college or have a job while serving in the military. Both options offer money to help you pay for college. Part-time options include the reserves, who are available for active duty deployment in times of war or national emergency. Then you have the National Guard, who truly focuses on homeland security and humanitarian relief. The military can be a good entry point for those interested in national security and defense, aviation or aerospace, engineering, emergency response, medical and dentistry, logistics and supply chain management. The military requires in-person presence, typically requires relocating to another city or country and living on a military base or in military housing. Learning is often conducted through training exercises and practical and hands-on environments and requires physical fitness. Responsibilities outside of your official training can depend greatly on which branch of the military you're in. Now, military members receive a salary and health insurance from the military and have access to government-funded education benefits during and after your service term. This can be a great option and pathway to gain work experience and have your education paid for. Now, most military positions have age, citizenship, education, and physical and medical fitness requirements. The applicants will often speak with a recruiter and have to pass a specific aptitude test, a physical examination, and a background check. Additional requirements may be required depending on military branch or position. Now, having a criminal record or health condition may be disqualifying for military service. However, this can be a case-by-case decision, and recruiters can provide insight on your situation. The length of military service can vary greatly person to person, from as short as 5 years to the span of your entire career. People who want to serve the country, want a challenge, and want opportunities to travel may enjoy the military. To succeed, you'll need to maintain physical fitness, be open to a disciplined and rule-based environment, and take advantage of the training opportunities and mentors that are provided. Now, I'm Vitrell with Get Schooled, and the most valuable commodity I know of is information. To get more of that, follow us here at Get Schooled. Be sure to follow Get Schooled for more ways to explore your educational options and get help getting there. Once again, I'm Vitrell with Get Schooled, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.